The recently passed Gender-Based Violence Act is a long overdue protection for victims of gender-based violence. Last Saturday, the human rights group 758 Pride held a media sensitization workshop to help the media help people understand how the new law offers them more protection than ever.
Today we had presentations on the legal framework of GBV by the attorney Sharian Walker. We also had the media present here from the various media houses who were very engaging and asked, especially as relates to the legal framework and just understanding the basis of the legality of the gender-based violence bill and how it relates and how it impacts the LGBT community in St. Lucia.
However, there is one demographic group that is very resistant to seeking help when they are hit with gender-based violence: men.
Some of the challenges that members of the community might face is just ongoing fear in being able to come forward, particularly where not only just same-sex relationships are involved, but where those persons are men. And we know historically men have always felt more so challenged or feeling as though they cannot come forward to seek protection under the Act.
Men don't want to be seen as weak. They find it hard to seek assistance when a woman lashes out at them because it can feel emasculating. And reaching out for help is even harder if they are gay, whether because they don't want to publicize their orientation or because the stigma of homosexuality is made worse by the stigma of gender-based violence.
So persons who are in same-sex relationships, and particularly men in those relationships, might feel as though they cannot or should not come forward, that they ought to tough it out and deal with this situation on their own. One challenge as well that they might persons from the community might also face is just privacy as well. If they go forward, then that might reveal that they are in a same-sex relationship. So that's some of the challenges that members of the community might face in coming forward.
Most people think of gender-based violence as something that happens between a man and a woman, but the law itself shows no discrimination.
The Act provides protection for everyone, so it recognizes that there should not be any discrimination against persons on the basis of race, sex, gender identity, or sexual orientation, just to name a few.
Saturday's sensitization also focused on helping the media navigate these issues and educating police and social workers to implement the law without the baggage of old, outdated social prejudices.
So the project basically is about raising awareness, and the project is over a period of 6 months. The project is soon coming to an end, and persons may note that we have had a podcast going on for the last few months, speaking to experts and community members on how GBV have impacted their lives. And we do have a drama series which we will be releasing very soon, so the public can look out for that to understand, and we're going to have actors showcasing how GBV impacts us across society.
For Choice News Now, I'm Jason Seafley.